I think the thing that impressed me about the BuildSmart system is not any one particular feature, but it's the combination of so many features and construction science best practices that are all rolled into one product that I just haven't seen packaged in that way anywhere else. So the combination of the just arrow straight LSL framing, the exterior insulation that provides, increased thermal performance, the liquid flashed rough openings that, increases the building's air tightness and durability, and then the pre-installed windows that you can opt for. Really just the combination of all those things just puts BuildSmart ahead above any other product that I've seen on the market when looking into our own project for this single family residential build, and then with some new opportunities that I've had at as a project manager to look into products for building multifamily housing. There's really just nothing that I've found that compares to the unique combination of great assets that BuildSmart brings.